Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage event planning with Eventbrite, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Eventbrite website or downloading the Eventbrite app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Eventbrite account to access the main dashboard. Click on the Create Event button to start your planning process. Select the event type that best suits your needs, such as in-person, virtual, or hybrid. Fill in the essential details of your event, including the title, date, time, and location. Add a compelling description to attract attendees, highlighting key features and benefits of your event. Choose whether your event will be free or paid, and set pricing accordingly if it's a paid event. Customize your event layout by selecting themes, colors, and images that align with your brand. Set up ticket types, allowing for different pricing options, such as early bird or VIP access. Configure registration settings, including options for attendee limits or waitlists if necessary. Decide on promotional options, utilizing Eventbrite's tools for sharing your event on social media platforms. Once all details are entered, review your event for accuracy and completeness. Click Publish to make your event live and accessible to potential attendees. Monitor ticket sales and engagement through your Eventbrite dashboard. Use the tools provided to manage communications with attendees, keeping them informed and engaged as the event approaches. Consider using Eventbrite's check-in app to streamline registration on the day of the event. Post-event, analyze the data collected such as attendance rates and feedback to improve future events. Stay connected with attendees by sending follow-up messages or surveys to gather insights. Continue utilizing Eventbrite for your future event planning needs, taking advantage of its features to simplify the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.